Hi, hello guys, good morning. This is a quick online tutorial on how we can edit the visibility or the privacy of the previous content that we uploaded in our YouTube channel. So as you can see, 9 subscriber pa lang tayo since 2018, but this will gonna be the start of our journey to get more views. And alright, so first step, we need to go or we need to click on our profile picture on the upper right corner, then go to YouTube Studio. Alright, then wait lang natin, maglo-load yan. And that will leads you to your channel dashboard. And that will show you or makikita nyo dyan your, when you click on content, all of the content that you previously uploaded on your YouTube channel. So you just have to select all. So there are 30 selected video. And then go to edit and then edit here, then click on visibility and then select, make sure that this will be selected into private mode. After you click private or select private, all right, then go to update video and make sure you will tick the understand the implication of this section and then hit okay. As you can see, nag-update na yung mga videos natin. So, isa-isa na yung nadi-delete, guys. Hindi naman siya nadi-delete, na-edit lang yung privacy niya para kung sino man pupunta sa channel nyo, hindi nila makikita yung mga video na to. Kasi nga, as was, I mean, like what I'm saying, moving forward, puro quick online tutorial na lang yung i-upload ko sa video ko. And this past video that I uploaded on my own channel were actually my previously uploaded channel for my kids, um, as they grown up, ayun dyan, may mga video dyan. At saka maganda mag-upload dito sa YouTube kasi nga, ayun, hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin sila. And I believe it's almost ilang years na, almost 10 years na, andito pa rin yung mga videos. So, ini-edit lang natin yung privacy, guys, so that our viewers or subscribers will not, gonna see those old videos that we previously uploaded before. Okay, so ayan lang, guys. So once it's done, you just have to go back to your channel and that's it. You're good to go. Thank you so much for watching.